Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to duplicate a task on your Google Task Board. Now, if for some reason you want to duplicate your task, a specific task that maybe you want the same task to be worked on by, two different people, and I don't know, maybe compare and contrast, so on and so forth, it's quite simple. You need to sign into your Google Task account, which is your primary Google account that you're using for that Google Task or Task Board option, and you're going to be brought to here, and you're going to be seeing whatever task you have active at the moment, right? So for example, I want to duplicate task 2 over here, right, on my main board. All I need to do is hover my mouse on that said task, and if you see this, if I remove my mouse, if I bring it back again, it's going to be highlighted. It's a bit lighter gray color, right? So all I need to do is click on the 3 dots here on the right hand side of that task, like so, and this pop-up will appear. And here, all I need to do is click on the third option, which is duplicate task, like so. And as you can see here, we have now 2 of the same task on your Google Task Board. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.